In this video, I will show you how you can earn $50 in just 5 minutes with a simple method. So stay with me until the end of the video. The app I'm going to introduce you to today is for testing different things, and they pay you up to $50 to do tests. It's amazing how they do it. All you need is a smartphone or it is computer. If you have one, just register on the website and they send you emails that you simply accept and receive the state amount. All you do is download an app or just access a certain website in completing some kind of test, and they pay you from $5 all the way up to $50 just for doing simple tests. It literally doesn't get any easier than this, and in this video I show you how to get started with this website so you can send emails, get and earn some money, especially since you can do it in your spare time. As I said before, you need to make sure you have a smartphone or computer to actually use them. This is important because the type of test you get and how much you end up getting depends on the type of device you use. If you have both devices connected to your account, they will send you more paid tests, and all you have to do is go to your account and select the type of devices you currently have. The more devices you have, the better your chances. More you will get more payment, test faster. For example, you can have just one laptop or add more devices to get more tests regularly. This website is called testbirds.com. It's a website that connects companies with new software and apps to real users, you and me, who can test bugs and problems those apps might have. So they work with a bunch of different companies which you may know, like BMW, Western Union, T-Mobile, even DHL. All have software that has to be tested by real people from all over the world. They have to test these programs before launch. This is exactly why people pay you just to complete the test. So they send you tests in different email methods that you can choose to take and get paid for. And so to get started, you just have to participate in the test of this platform, where it says start testing, and it takes you to this page where it asks you what are you looking to do test and earn, or do you want to test as company you want to choose this first option. You can then fill out a form that asks for a bunch of information about you. Once that's done, you'll be able to go into your dashboard. This is what it looks like here, so I'm going to give you a quick overview of the home page and all of these areas that I'll give you on the far left. All of the different menu options right in there. Here you see what you want to see. Do you currently have tests to do or not? These are your tasks and reminders, and here is information about their community update. So the first thing you want to do right away when you first log in into your account is set up your payment information. Do that. You want to click on your payments and it will take you to this page. The amounts are in euros, so not in US dollars, but the euro is certainly a very strong currency. So depending on the country you live in, I think you'll get a pretty good conversion rate to your local currency once you have some money in it. You will be asked to choose a payment option. They can pay you via PayPal or bank transfer, and you can just click here to request payment to your desired payment option. You need 6 euros to get your money, so it's really low grade for anyone with a brand new account. So it's very easy to do test on this platform. All you have to do is click on my test here and you'll see some of the tests available. If it's Android, and they'll show you exactly. You'll get the information you need to know about the test. You need to take and exactly what you want to get for the test. To make sure you take the time to review this information so you can get paid for this test. At the end of the day, all you have to do is download an app and actually test it to see if there are any. You have to report it to customer so that they can fix it, and that's all you have to do. And it's very simple, and you don't have to be some kind of teach expert to do this, and all the technical detail you need to know to pass the test provide to you. And as soon as you have to completed this test, all you have to do is to click on the submit and get customer feedback and pay you instantly. You can get back to your view and complete all available tests until they send your money test to come. And as I mentioned before, your device tab is where you can actually choose. You should see how many devices you have access to in order to run this test. You can quickly add any new device by going down here to add a smartphone or PC and add more device, and then you can earn more.